Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the UI systems in Unity. Okay, so what's the UI system? UI system is the kind of like if you want to make like interaction uh, in some different games, and UI is the place where you can kind of like go through the game, or like hit the button play, or like cancel or some other functions to make the game smoother. So we are going to introduce like a really useful plugin called Doozy UI. And yeah, here, let me show you Doozy UI. Doozy UI, yeah, here. Yeah, so we are going to introduce Doozy UI for this uh, demo. Yeah, okay, so let's see what's today's demo. Yeah, let's hit play and see how it goes. Okay, so welcome to Dino World, and when you click blue Dino, and blue Dino just come up, and when you hit like a ESC, and it come back to the main page. Yeah, okay, so let's see how we are going to do this. So basically you need to create a 2D game, for your new project, and then you need to use Doozy UI to create different elements and different buttons to go back. And then I will provide you some good some sprites, some assets link for you to download as well. So those are the UI, and later on I will provide you the link below so you can start download it and do the practice. Okay, so yeah, you can see like from here, like down here. Okay, so we have two main screen, right? One is called home, another one is called blue Dino. So those are two different canvas. And home canvas, you can see there are background. And remember that as for UI, it's render like the order is from bottom to the top. So whatever put um at the end of the script will be on the top of the whole UI system. So just remember it's a little different than like a Photoshop, like a layer. You can see like when you do Photoshop, the top layer always show on the top. But as for UI system in Unity, the one that's on the bottom are is always on the top. Yeah. Okay. So let's start it from the new one, new scene. Okay, save. Okay, so let's have a scene, save scene, scene. Okay, Unity 10 to Z UI V1. Okay, so let's save a new game. Okay, first you need to download called DooTwin. Okay, go here and download the free one. Import it, import it first. Okay, I've already imported, so I just want to show you the process. Okay, so you go to DooTwin first, because DooTwin is the one who can kind of host the Doozy. So you need to download DooTwin first. Okay, so you will see this screen, and you open it and go here and set up. And yeah, waiting, compile. Okay, so basically you need to hit the apply. Yeah, apply button. Okay, and then after that you close it. Okay, so first you need to download DooTween, import it, and do kind of like apply all the settings first. Okay, and then second one, we are going to do DoozyUI. This is pretty cool. And if you didn't buy it, you need to you need to like kind of like go and check out and buy it before you import. I've already purchased it, so that's why the pink button says import. So let's import it. Basically, I've already imported, so you just click import and just like get everything. Yeah, I mean, yeah, cause yeah, so it's a pretty big file though, by the way. Okay, so that's fine. We don't need to wait for this because we've already imported. So you need to import all of this. Yeah, nothing. Okay, so I've already imported. So after everything, you import the DooTween, and then then you import Doozy. Then there will be a tool here, tools, extra one, tools here, and you go to DoozyUI, control panel, and this panel will show up. Okay, so what's DoozyUI? General. Okay, so and then we are going to use TextMeshPro. The reason why we use TextMeshPro is because it's crispy, like it's crispy sharp, like the text, like the edge. If you use Unity's original text, it will look really blur and not really good in text. Like yeah, it's not amazing. But this one, I would recommend you to download TextMeshPro. If you haven't downloaded it, then let's see TextMeshPro. Yeah, you need to go here and import it. It's free. Yeah. So this is a pretty amazing TextMeshPro. It's amazing. You just click import and the package will show up here, right? Here. Okay, so first, basically DoozyUI has a lot of third-party plugin like integration, so you can integrate with Playmaker, Master Audio, Energy Bar Toolkit, TextMeshPro, Scene Leader, Orientation Manager, UI navigation. So like default, UI navigation is the only one enabled. After you import TextMeshPro, you can double click here and yes. Okay, so you can download it and start enable TextMeshPro. So basically everything will be disabled like this, TextMeshPro on your default, but you need to go here and enable. Yeah, once you import TextMeshPro, so make sure the text looks crispy and nice. Yeah, so great, we enabled it. Okay, so we go here and we can see a lot of different by default there are a lot of UI elements. You can delete all of them and recreate new one. Yeah, UI buttons, UI sounds. Yeah, so those are the sound. You can kind of like you can play around with it, and there are some sounds I believe that you probably cannot hear from my video because it's from my another output to my headphone, so you might not be able to hear it, but there are some pretty cool sounds for your buttons or other. You can also like put your sounds as well. So yeah, so animation, and there are so many cool animations you can use. Basic, drop, fade, organic, scale, slide, categorized. Okay, and edit setting. Yeah, so uh, it's not recommend to enable the hierarchy manager because they are not really mature yet. So by default, it's unchecked. So you just leave it there. Okay, so general, let's start from here. Okay, so basically, if you wanna add anything, let's see. Okay, so first we go here, and we have our camera and our we have our camera. Okay, let's see. So this is default, right? Default. Okay, so let's add. Okay, so let's go back to here and let's talk about this. Okay, so there's home, Dino Blue. Okay, so let's delete everything and let me show you how everything goes. Okay, so basically what we need to do is to add home, right? We need one home. What's UI elements? It's kind of like the big canvas that put that kind of contain everything. So we have a home page. Imagine that is like when you open an app, it's like a home page, right? Okay, so we have home and we have Blue Dino. Blue Dino. Okay, so home and Blue Dino, they are two pages. One is called home, one is called Blue Dino. Yeah. On the previous demo, I was going to create like a 3 or 4 different sub pages, but I just find out that actually I can just show you one, and later on you can start making like a blue dino, red dino, or yellow dino page. So just because I want to make this tutorial short and sweet, so let's just have one, and later on you can duplicate to like a different pages. So we have 2 main page. Okay, so once you create this, remember to hit enter. Okay, so these are 2 main pages. Okay, so and later on it's called UI buttons. UI buttons. What's UI buttons? It's the buttons that leads to other page. So let's see how we can do this. Okay, so first one is back button, right? We have one back button. Back button will go back from a blue dino, go back to the home page. Okay, so and then we need another button which is from home page to blue dino. So blue dino. Yeah, so this is the button inside homepage called Blue Dino. And this is a button in Blue Dino page. And when you hit it, it will go back to the home page. Okay, so that's about it. So we are going to create 2 pages, and then we are going to have 2 buttons. Okay, let's start it. So first, right click, and then you can see the menu, Doozy UI. So let's create our UI elements. Okay, so but first we need to go to mask canvas, and then go to the canvas render mode. Go to screen space camera first. Okay, so we can kind of like see by doing this, we can clearly see that our UI's movement. Okay, so and then render camera, we need to drag our main camera to here. Yeah, so let's see. Command S and hit play. Okay, everything looks nice. Okay, so maybe we can make it like a 16 by 10. Okay, so go back to scene. Okay, UI element. Okay, UI element. Then we need to go to the UI element here. First, we need to go to home. Home, right? Home. This is the home category. And then the element name is homepage, right? So this is home. And then we will animate. Since this is our home page, we need to animate at the start. It's not hide at the start. Other children, like a child page, we can hide at the start. But the home page, the parent, the parent page, we need to show it at the beginning. Yeah. Okay. So this is our background. Then we want a title. So we go to TextMeshPro UI, right click, UI, TextMeshPro, text. Okay, so remember that when rendering everything, like it's go from the bottom to the top. So whatever puts puts at the end will be on top. So we put the text on top. Put the background on top of the text. So make sure the text is on top of background. Yeah, okay, it's a little weird compared to Photoshop or some other software. Okay, so we started change the text to welcome to Dino World. Okay, welcome to Dino World. Okay, so let's start doing this. Okay, so this is our text. Okay, so text, we want this one. You hit alter and then go here on top. And then make sure it's in the center. And then, okay, so maybe -50 or -70. Okay, welcome to Dino World. You can change the background to probably, I don't know, orange, yellow, maybe a little green, and then make this, it's a little weird color. Maybe this color. Okay, so let's make this one. Yeah, again, this tutorial is showing like the basic transition for the UI function. So you can always go back to tweak the visual style. Okay, so we can also change in TextMeshPro. We can also change the fonts. For example, I changed to Roboto Bold. Yeah, which I just like a Roboto. It looks cool. Okay, so maybe I can start doing shit. Okay, so Dino World. Okay, cool. Okay, welcome to Dino World. Okay, so this is our text. Now we want to get our cool egg here. This egg to be here. Okay, make sure it's under this. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so hit R, scale it, hit W, change the position, and we want the mountain. Yeah, okay, so we drag the mountain and we get here, hit W. Gotta play around with this again. You can always change the graphics. Okay, so we put egg on the top of the mountain. Let's rename mountain. Okay, mountain. I don't know how to spell it. That's fine. Mountain. Okay, so as long as we know it's mountain. Okay, so egg. Okay, so welcome to Dino World. This is the title. Welcome, title. Yeah, again, you can kind of rename whatever you want. Yeah. Okay, so after finish the UI element, we can add another one called UI button. Okay, so basically UI element contain everything under it. So UI button will be one of the elements inside the UI element canvas. Okay, so UI button, what's the button we want to call? The button we want to call is, let's see, Blue Dino. Okay, Blue Dino. Then let's go here, Roboto. Make sure this is white. Make sure it's, yeah, and then font size, let's make it 18. Blue Dino. Oh shit. Not auto size 18. Okay, 18. Okay, so this is our Blue Dino one. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is our UI element for the home screen. Okay, let's go to, okay, so after we finish this one, and we can start animate it. Okay, first, UI element. From here, this is inside the home category, which is here. UI elements, home category, right? This is under home, and the element name is home because this is home page. So we have element at start. Okay, custom start position, which means that we want to be at the center of the camera. So make sure it fits the whole canvas. Yeah, so custom start position, we need to check. Okay, so, and then we hit in animation. And usually I check this because sometimes we will kind of override other animations, so just check it. So later on, if you wanna change to other cool animation, you can kind of override it. It's easier. Okay, so you can have like a move and rotate. You can do basically whatever you want. But I think it's cool to just fade in fast. I just want like a subtle animation for the home screen. So, and then load preset. Yeah, you can load preset. Okay, and auto animation. Let's check. Load select preset real runtime and fat and out fast. Okay. And then we need to make sure this is good. Okay, so double check. Yeah, scale events, fat. Okay, it looks nice. And you can click this, rename game object to element name. So when you click this, see, UIE becomes home. So make sure you rename it. It's so convenient because you just hit this button and it will rename it according to your element category, element name, and kind of customize your naming for your game object, which is super cool. Okay, so this is our first one. We finish it. And then we save it. Okay, so the second one, we need to duplicate it. And then this one will be our Blue Dino canvas. So basically, in this box is like the camera, like where it's like the camera view. So for example, like this. Yeah, so you can see it's fitting the camera. Whatever is outside of camera is not going to be seen. So it's totally fine. You can drag out the canvas that you are not currently working on outside, as long as the animation knows that where you are going, where you are coming from, and whatever you drag it outside of the canvas or the camera view, everything should be fine. Yeah, okay. So you can drag home page outside of the camera view. Okay, so this one will be the blue dino. Okay, so let's make this blue. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. I kind of. Okay, okay. I dragged the wrong one. So this one is home. Okay, sorry. This one is home, and this one is the Dino page. Okay, kind of. Okay, so let's go back to 0, 0. Oh, shit. Okay, so let's go back to 0 to here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so yeah, okay, so this is the Dino page. Okay, so first we go to here and set here under home. There's another element name called back, which is think we should have another one called blue Dino. You can just go here and kind of start creating like blue Dino. Okay, so this page will be called blue Dino page. Okay, so once you create under the panel control, then there will be another like a Dropbox. There will be the same name as you just created showing up. Okay, so home Dino, blue Dino. Okay, so unlike the home page, we should hide it at the start, right? So this will be our Dino page. Then let's rename it. When you click it, and blue Dino, well, like the naming system will automatically replace the right naming for your game object. Okay, so because I am going to swap some animation, and this one is under this one, right? Our blue Dino will be under the home page. So which means everything under will show up first. So if you don't do those, disable when hidden, disable the graphic recaster, then later on our graphics will be on top of the home page, which will make everything looks really confusing. So we need to disable when hidden. When there's nothing for the blue Dino page, then everything should stop. So that's why we put this. Okay, so let's see when animation fade fast, in fast. Okay, low preset. Then auto animation, low preset. Okay, so maybe we can go here and low preset. Yeah, this low preset. Yes, okay, cool. Just wanna make sure this is low preset. Okay, preset, low preset. Okay, so this is done. Command S. Okay, let's see background. Let's make it blue. Blue, blue, blue. Okay, blue. Be a little weakened. Okay, cool. Okay, mountain. Let's keep mountain and delete the egg, because egg just become a Dino. Okay, let's go to prefab. Basically, I download the sprite sheet and drag into the scene and make it kind of like a cut it into like different sprites and then make animation clips. So if you drag this Dino blue to here, and it's basically probably in front of the mountain. Oh, no. Okay, so we need to start doing this. This is 0. Dino, where's my Dino? Dino is 1. Okay, so you need to kind of like started to play around with order in layer. So 0 will be under 1. So Dino order in layer is 1. And mountain is 0. So that's why my dinosaur is in front of the mountain. Okay, cool. Okay, so in my UI button, here, blue Dino will be replaced by back, home, maybe back. Okay, back. Okay, back. And let's see here. We need to, okay, so go to UI button and back. I think the background we can make it yellow. Looks cooler. Yellow, okay. And that means see, or orange. I think orange is better. Kind of a dark orange. Okay, cool. I just think that I don't know. I just think that there are so many gizmos. Yeah, too many gizmos. So, okay, that's fine. We can hit play and see what's going on. Oh, never mind. Okay, later on we can see like the whole UI, because right now this big OK is kind of block away my text. Okay, so that's fine. We will see later. Okay, so UI button. Oh, great. Okay, so yeah, so everything looks good. My Dino. Okay, so let's see my Dino. Where's the mountain? Okay, yeah, sometimes like Unity. Okay, so maybe I put my Dino a little. Let me. Where's my Dino? Hit W. Yeah, sometimes it's like that. Hey, okay. UI button. Okay, that's started to kind of make the button goes to the right place. Okay, so let's go to button category. Select Dino selections. Button name, that's hit back because we are going to go back, right? Okay, rename it. Okay, on click, then that's on click we are going back to the oh sorry, the title we need to change to Blue Dino. Okay, Blue Dino, right? Okay, so this is the Blue Dino page, and here we can start doing the UI button for home page. Let's see for the home page. For this, yeah. So this is the one that we are dealing with. Okay, so that's home page. This is the UI button for the home page. Let's see. Okay, so this is we need to change the button category to Dino selections. Button name, go to Blue Dino, right? So this is Blue Dino. If you hit, it will go to Blue Dino page. Okay, so yeah. So that's, remember to click this so you can overwrite everything automatically. Okay, so I will do organic, and this one is cool. Got me fast. Yeah, and load preset. Remember to load preset. Navigation. So if you auto add navigation history, the second one, for example, like we click here and it will remember this go here. So if you click escape key, then it will this back button, oh shit, this back button will go back to the home page automatically. So it's really powerful to use the navigation to click the navigation. It's on click navigation. Okay, so you need to go here. So we need to go to home. And what's the element name? Okay, so when you click this blue Dino button, the something will show, right? Blue Dino will show up, right? And then what will be hidden? Home. The home page will be hidden. So this is a logic thing. So when you click blue Dino, this is the blue Dino button. What will be showing? Yeah, what you are expecting to see? You are expecting to see the blue Dino show up, right? And what will be hidden? The home page will be hidden, right? The current page will be hidden, right? So this is the logic for the blue Dino being hidden. Okay, so let's click. Let's see. Welcome to Dino World. Hit blue. Yeah, okay. So later on we are going to solve the problem for this. And when you click ESC, it go back to welcome to Dino World. Okay, so we solved this problem for the home page. Okay, so let's go to the blue Dino. Blue Dino. Okay, blue Dino. Okay, so let's see the background, mountain, title. Okay, so let's see mountain. Mountain, yeah, mountain is 0, Dino is 1. Okay, so let's check. Egg is mountain is 0, egg is 0. So mountain is 0. Okay, so basically 3 of them will be confused. Okay, so this mountain will be 0, this egg will be 1, and this mountain will be 2, this Dino will be 3. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's go back to the top and double check. Hidden, disable when hidden, disable, yeah, okay, make sure it's all hidden. Okay, cool. Okay, fast. Oh, the sound, we can have some cool sounds. Mouth pop. Yeah, and then can have some cool sound, mouth pop. Yeah, cool. Okay, so this is the blue Dino. Oh shit, sorry. This one, maybe we, no sound. No, I'm thinking this is more like the whole canvas move, so we don't need a sound. We can have the sound only when we click. So this is the big canvas. And then let's go here, I'll click. Okay, so this is the back button, right? The orange back button. So let's click here for animation, load. Okay, so this is, let's make it when you click and you play the organic, got me fast, and we need to load the preset. Yeah, okay, so the sound will be mouse pop. Cool. Okay, so let's see how everything goes. Finger crossed. Okay, so, okay, blue Dino. click ESC, go back, Blue Dino, back. Okay, so we see that this one, the egg, is still there, right? Maybe there's a way to solve this problem, right? So the only way I think solve the problem is that disable when hidden. Yeah, we need to disable some of the graphics so we won't see on the second one. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Blue Dino, click. Ew. Okay, cool. Okay, so there are some problems. Okay, cool. Let's see. Click Blue Dino, back, ESC. Okay, so I mean, for egg, we can 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so basically all the orders right. That's fine. Maybe I just make this egg a little smaller so I can solve the problem. Yeah, secretly. Yeah, I mean, just make it smaller. Hide it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so, and then going, yes, escape, and then Blue Dino. Okay, Blue Dino. And hit yes, escape. Yes, ESC, ESC. Okay, so Blue Dino, ESC. Blue Dino, ESC. And later on, you can create some other UI button. If you wanna rename it, you just click rename game object to button name. This will rename for you. So if you wanna create some other page, for example, you want another red Dino, you can create duplicate it, and then go here, and just -40. Yeah, so it will do the math for you. And -15. Yeah, okay, so this looks weird, but it will do the math for you. Hit enter. Okay, so this one you can change to the background to red. Yeah, and then the label, you can make it red Dino. Yeah, oh shit, red Dino. Okay, so basically you can kind of like click this one and go to another red Dino page. You can drag this one, drag to the red, and make all the canvas red. So yeah, so if you can do that, then and make sure you know everything about Doozy UI before you start trying like the new creative stuff. So I show you how to create one button called Blue Dino. Yeah, this button, and then you hit it, and it goes to the Blue Dino page, right? It goes to the Blue Dino page. Okay, yeah, and you go back. Yes. Okay, so this is the tutorial that I provide. I prepare for today, and if you enjoy it, you can start doing this first, and then add some different buttons. For example, you can add another yellow button later on the third one, and go to one page and jump back. Yeah. Okay, So this is the tutorial. Hope you like it. And yeah, thank you for watching it. And thank you and bye bye.